very late in the afternoon, giving them a second feed. Same thing with the pigeon pellets and the mix. I'll give them grip tomorrow, got the nice shell grip, very fine. And then I'll be trying, tomorrow, I'll be trying salt, pink salt. I'll be giving that a go. Been busy with work, so yeah. Pigeons are doing alright. We've got 2 eggs over there. We've got 2 eggs from that black white beard and this little hen. It looks like we've got a egg from the old Tomich male, which is that one, eating red bars, and his hen is a saddle vessel. And then we've got the OG 2 eggs with the hen he's with. We've got a saddle pair with eggs. We've got eggs over here with this dude and a silver hen. We've got 2 eggs from the red white beards, and we've got 2 eggs from 2 Besso Tomich lines. And I did remove those eggs from the big blue hen. I put them up there. I removed those other Highflyer eggs. So they'll be making eggs in a week probably. So that'll be 2 sets from her. Now we've got another saddle pair gonna make eggs in this red bowl. But it's going alright. It's going okay. This silver hen, boy, that's got eggs over there. They make nice straight blues, and they also make me this baldy blue over here. Can't wait to see what else they're going to make. So all up, it'll be 18 eggs once that pair does their second egg over here. And probably have 20, 22. But that hen needs to make some eggs. So we'll slowly get there. Still got to put more breeders in here. We do have 2 saddles that I've got to bring in here, which are hopefully paired up now. Probably put them in the morning and then put another pair to get paired in the little cage. You can see how much the young flyers, the hens are molting. Like all those missing feathers on that one. Molting pretty good, which I guess is showing a good sign of health. So you see I'm gradually giving them more food than I usually do. Obviously, so soon they will be feeding. That's what it's about. So yeah, this hen should be making a couple of eggs there soon. I'm very curious in what this pair is gonna, what young ones are gonna come out of it. Definitely interesting.